because I have something super special that I want to show you. Oh, I forgot the nail stuff. Shit! Hey guys, what's up? It's Amanda, and today we are testing out some nail products. Oh yes, as you can see, I have got 10 beautiful stubs. I don't know about any of you guys, but that's definitely how I feel when I don't have any nails on. I've got wee little stubs here. They're not even fingers, they're stubs. Anyways, I know some of you guys have been wanting to maybe start doing your nails at home and cut out the pretty expensive cost of going to the nail salon. And take it from me, it's actually not that hard, just as long as you have the proper tools, but we'll get into that a little later. So one night, while I was shopping on Amazon, as I so frequently do, I came across what I think would be the perfect beginner nail kit. So of course I added it to my cart and I got it so we could review it. But the only thing is, this is a gel nail kit, so you would unfortunately need to have a UV or LED light to cure the gel, but you can find them anywhere. They're super cheap online. I will link a few down below, and I'll put a few pictures here of different ones I've seen. You can definitely get them at like your beauty supply store, but I'm afraid to say that they're gonna be cheap there because I have yet to find stuff that's like super duper cheap at like Sally's. I'm always looking out to save dollars because, honey, you want to keep those to yourself. You don't want to just be making it rain to everybody else. Anyways, why don't we jump right in to see just what this nail kit comes with. So I will pop up the ad right here so you guys can see. It was very, very cheap. I know you could probably find this exact same kit on Aliexpress or eBay, but to be honest, I find when you order things that are coming from China through Amazon, it comes a lot faster than when you order from Aliexpress or eBay. I don't exactly know why, but I think it's because eBay and Aliexpress are Chinese companies, but Amazon is like a Canadian and American company. I hope that makes sense. So let's see exactly what we get in here. Okay, so the first thing I see is one of these "Thank you for your support" little letter. So now for the good stuff. I see they included a gel brush. The difference between a gel brush and an acrylic brush is the acrylic brushes are tapered to almost a point, if you will, and the gel brushes are a lot thinner and squared off at the ends. Then the best, most important thing, here are the gel tubs. Let me just rip into here. So we have 3 gel containers. We have a clear gel, a pink gel, a white gel. Then this bag here, and in here should be all of the other important stuff. 2 bottles of nail polish. Oh my goodness, they wrap this stuff like, I finally got them unpackaged. Now this says it's a UV gel primer and a UV top coat. I'm a little iffy though. The last 2 things are the nail builders. I'm probably not gonna use these because I don't personally like the nail form shape of the nails. I find that they're too like straight, and I like to have the natural curve. And these nail cleanser kind of wipes. So now that we've went through the starter kit, let's jump in to doing the nails and see just what kind of quality we get. Let's go. So I have my 3 UV gels here. I'm probably gonna go with the clear just because that's what I'm used to, that's what I've worked with. The gel brush. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna quickly prep my nails. I do have a Dremel, I guess. This was super cheap also. I'll leave it linked down below. So I'm quickly gonna prep my nails. And what I'm really excited for is I get to try out the nail tips that I found at the Dollar Tree. Yes, the Dollar Tree. If you're just as surprised, I will link my Dollar Tree haul down below. You are going to freak when you see the stuff that I found. So I will catch up with you guys in a bit. Okay, I am finally back. All of my nails are prepped and I put tips on, I shaped them, and then I evened out the tip and the nail with my Dremel. If you don't have one of these and you want to start doing your nails, definitely grab one. Super cheap. Check the links below. So I was gonna do this like in a tutorial style so you could see the entire process, but since this video is about the UV kit, I can give you guys some tutorial videos later, but I just want to focus on the gel and the quality and see if it actually works. So I am going to go ahead and use the clear UV gel. One thing I do want to say, because I did use the Dollarama tips, they are very bendy. Like the plastic that they're made of isn't that good. So what really though, what did I expect? It was only $1.25 for like an entire pack of like 100 or something. So anyways. So I went ahead and opened all of the silver tops and stuff before. So here's the clear, can't really see it. Here is the white, also can't really see it, but it is white. Here is the pink, you can definitely see that. The pink gel I think would be excellent if you had white tips, because then you would have like a perfect French look. But I'm gonna go ahead and use the clear gel. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the cleansing wipes just to clean off any of the dust. There's alcohol in it, so it like dehydrates all of the oils. So I did some reading, and this UV gel primer actually isn't a primer, it's actually just a base coat. Just make sure your nail is clean and ready for the gel. So what I do is I scoop some gel, because it's gonna be very stringy, and then I just fix the string. Then you can always put more on. Less is more, I say. So right off the bat, I don't really like the consistency of this gel, but you get what you pay for. I think I'm gonna do 2 or 3 nails before I cure them, just so I could get a feel of what I'm actually stuck working with here. So I'm gonna go ahead and cure these nails. So I'm about ready to take them out of the UV light. Oh, okay. So you're not going to be able to see like super duper close up, and I'm sorry for that, but it's actually not too bad. They're nice and shiny. They're nice and smooth and flat. Okay, so I take back what I said earlier. It might be a little bit hard to work with maybe if I had like a better quality brush, but this time I have to use the items given in the kit. It definitely does pool where it needs to, and I really like that. But you do have to be really careful. It doesn't spread that nicely, you know, because it is very thick. So you got to make sure on the very, very sides of the nail that you get everything needed. Okay, I'm gonna quickly cure my pointer and my thumb because I just put my other finger right through the gel, so I gotta get this like cured quick. Yes, look at it, it's not too bad. The nails are actually coming out really nice. I'm gonna quickly do my other hand off camera, but I'll check in with you in a bit. All right, guys, here is the finished product. It actually turned out very nicely. So as you can see, all of the nails are nice and smooth. And this, I haven't even like dremeled or filed the tops of the nails yet. And you can just, you know, tell that it's all very smooth. So I am going to just finish out these nails and I will see you in a second. Well, here is the final nails. I was gonna say the final look. If you want to see how I did this, the video will be linked down below, but I think they turned out really, really good. So my final thoughts on the gel kit. Now, I did have some complaints, as you've seen. It was very, very thick. It was almost like it wasn't meant to be like a gel substance. It's really strange. But other than that, I actually think that it's perfect for a beginner because it's inexpensive. It is a little bit hard to work with. So I think when you're new to something and it's a little bit challenging, I think that's amazing because then you get really good, you get patience. There's a whole bunch of great things that come along with it. So I think that that kit would be perfect for a beginner. And like I said, there's gonna be links to everything down below. I'm gonna link the kit, the gel kit. I'll also link a bunch of different UV LED lights that are inexpensive that I've seen. And I'll also link the Dremel to do the nails because that works both acrylic and gel. You know, I think that that's a definite must-have because it gets your nails a lot smoother than just doing with the file. And you can be a lot more precise with the Dremel. The UV light will definitely come in handy with the builder gel and UV gel polish, guys. I'm telling you, if you are going to start doing your nails at home, invest in some UV gel nail polish. I'm telling you, you will thank me because you'll say, girl, I don't have to fight with the waiting a million hours for the nail polish to dry and then, oh, you didn't wait long enough and you put that second coat on and now it's never gonna dry. It was a nightmare for me and I'm sure it's a nightmare for you. And another thing I wanted to say real quick is I know I didn't really do like a tutorial version of this. I actually decided not to because I was only reviewing the gel kit. So I didn't want to like flood it with a bunch of stuff, but don't worry, I will definitely be doing some nail tutorials. I will do a gel nail tutorial, I'll do an acrylic nail tutorial, and don't worry, I'll show you guys exactly how I do all sorts of crazy cool fun things, and you don't have to be an artist to do this stuff, you know what I'm saying? You don't have to be an artist to do hand designs and stuff. Trust me, you're gonna be a pro by the time we're done with these, okay? I promise. Anyways, guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video today. I know it was a little different, but make sure you're following me on all of my social medias. Those are all linked down below for you guys. And if this is the first time you're seeing my face or you're seeing my video, you should probably hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of the super cool videos I'll be uploading. No, but for real, you should probably hit that subscribe button anyways. It really helps me out and I really appreciate it. Anyways, guys, I love you so much. Don't forget, leave any and all video requests down below or on any of my social medias. You know, you could even snap me requests if you want. Anyways, guys, I hope you're having a wonderful day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.